And if you are new for Adobe Premiere and you come to Premiere Pro, I will show you the workspace. I will show you the panels, the different panels from Premiere Pro 2.0. Here, first you go to the window menu and click on Effects. The Effects panel here, Adobe Premiere Pro, they group all the effects. For example, the audio effects for file 1, stereo, mono. For the audio transition is a special kind of effect. They work on the beginning or the end or in between the clip. A special effect for transition. And the video effect here, they group the effect into category. And the video transition also is a special kind of effect for transit from one clip to another clip. And they have also the preset, and you can set up the preset when you specify a customize effect, so you can save it as a preset to use it. Okay, you apply an effect or transition, you can drag and drop like this on the clip on the title panel. And here, effect control panel. When you apply an effect from the effects panel to the clip on the title panel, you select the clip and they will show you the effect in here in the effect control panel, and you can adjust the effect. Something like this. I import something. For example, I import a video a movie file like this. You drag and drop into the title panel, and from the effect panel you apply an effect. For example, a color correction. For example, RGB color correction. Apply an effect on the clip in here and select it. It will have the RGB color corrector, so you can adjust the color in here. By default, any clip, they have video and audio. They have fixed effect. The fixed effect is motion opacity. For the audio is volume. This is the fixed effect that every clip they have. Depend on if you have just the video like this, they have the video effect. If you have only the audio, you have all audio effect here. If you have both the clip on, they have audio and video. They show you the video effect, audio effect here as the standard of fixed effect in here. I'll show you more about how to use the effect control panel to adjust it later. And the events panel. The event panel is showing you the problem when you start Adobe Premiere Pro, or when you're going to edit something. They have problem that Premiere Pro file the problem. They will show you in here. And in here, the problem for my desktop display mode have been reset because the video card returned an error. This, if you want to get more information about the error, you can select it and click details. In here, you see that desktop display mode have been reset like this. You can check it, and you can clean all. So clean it. And when you have a problem on your project like you're working on, they will appear in here that if an icon in here, they're showing warning icon in the lower right side here. That means in your event panel they have something. You can go to here and check it, what's the problem. And the history panel. The history panel is showing you the step that you did. They give you the ability to jump to any step that you doing in Premiere Pro. So it's this can be another way called undo history. It's better to for them is as a undo, just undo them, or redo. Another way to call them, you can see what the step you're making on your video editing, audio editing. The step is showing here, and you click it to jump to any other step, go back to somewhere else. And the info palette. The info palette is related, show you the information about the clip you selected. Like the one you select the movie file here, they show you all the information about this clip. Not all the information, the basic information for them. For the clip you select, for example, you put a clip on the title panel, so they show you in here for both for start point, end point, duration, and also the cursor position on the title panel. Like this, you move anywhere, they show you the cursor on the timeline. The information you select, the clip you select in any from your Premiere Pro, they show you the information. For example, the editing sequence here, they show you this type is the sequence for editing, and duration, video, audio, and in out like this. A movie file, this is the type as a movie file, duration, video, audio, set in, set out like this. And the choose panel, is here. In Premiere Pro, they have many tools. This the tools you can select to work. The tools you select here is only work in the title panel. For example, you select the selection tool, the slip tool, and slide tool, track selection tool, ripple edit tool, pen tool, hand tool, rolling edit tools, and this raise just tool, zoom tool, razor tool. This is the tool you selected and work only in the title panel. Any tool anywhere you go is the same thing. And all these tools is work together with the title panel in a sequence. Only one tool you can select is the hand tool. In the hand tool in here, if you zoom in like this, with the hand tool you can move into any play on the video for the output. You can, of course, you can drag on the scrolling bar here to move it, or if you have a hand tool, you can move it in this way. And any tool you select in here and work in here, there's only a selection tool. If you select a track selection tool, when you're working on here, this is also a selection tool, work the way as a selection tool. And only the difference is the hand tool. You can move it in this way. Okay. And the tools, once again, the tools from here, from the tools palette, is only work in the title panel on the clip here, and only with exception is the hand tool you work in here. And the title tools, title stylus, title action, the title property, they all together into the title designer. You can click here to bring the grouping or the title designer, the different panels group together to make for your title. And all this panel, for example, choose title choose panel, this the title styler panel, this, and the title action here, this panel, and the title property here, they all together for the title. So if you want, you can put the any panel from the title designer to anywhere in your workspace like this if you want. but I recommend you put them together as a title. In here, in this way, you put together, you work together for the title. So as a title designer, you can make it as a floating panels group together when you're going to create a title. And okay, you close it. And for the audio master meters, it's here for the monitor for the audio output. When you play a clip on the color panel like this, they will show you the audio master output, the meter, UV meter, so you can see the audio level in here, right? And the audio mixer, they have depend on the sequence in here. You can select that. If you make it another sequence here, they have in the color panel, they have sequence 1, sequence 4, like this. So your sequence is working based on your audio mixer is working based on the sequence. You can select in here from here, and with the audio mixer, you can apply you can pan, balance, mono track, stereo track, or you can for the 5 surround sound track, and you can apply an audio effect in from here for the tracks, and you can have a send to any of the submix to for another effect control or effect enhancement for from the audio mixer here. And close it, and close the effect mixer. And the DVD layout panel. The DVD layout panel is for creating your DVD menu. When you finish your editing sequence, you can create a DVD, burn a DVD directly from Adobe Premiere Pro 2.0, and you can create a DVD menu from here. I'll show you later how to create a DVD menu using the feature in DVD layout for the DVD menu creation. And the program monitor, is here. It will show you the output for your sequence here, and it's not only showing the output on here, it's also you can manipulate on it on the program monitor here. Like this, you can change this a video clip size. You can apply a keyframe and etc. Modify it in the panel here. And for the project panel here, the project panel is a place to store all your media file, your footage or asset in here in Premiere Pro. Asset can be a sequence for editing, can be a movie file, can be any audio, video, image, still image in here. All the media file or asset you store in here, and your editing sequence is also stored in here. And other tools like the title panel, when you close this, they open the sequence in here from the project panel. And for the source monitor, this is the source monitor. The source monitor is for preview the clip from the project panel, or from the clip on the title panel here. So they show you the clip for preview, and also for setting up the in point and out point. You can set marker like this. You can right click to set a marker, in point, out point marker, or video in, video out, audio in, audio out, set the marker differently like this. before you put them into the sequence to make them as an editing sequence for your editing. And also they have a transport control, the tools in here. I'll show you how to use them later. And the timeline in here, the timeline is you select the sequence, your editing sequence. You can move select the sequence in this way. And the title panel is the play for your editing, your sequence. And the title designer, you have already seen them in few minutes ago. So the title designer is for creating a title. The title can be a still image, a still title, or motion title. You set up in like the one you create a title, and you set up the still title or motion title roll or scroll. Like that. I'll show you more about this later. And here, and in Adobe Premiere Pro, they have also the capture panel from here. The capture panel is for capturing your video footage. It's the play. You can transfer the digital video from your camcorder to the computer, or if you had a popular hardware to convert your analog video into digital to computer before you can edit them. And this is the play for capture your video. I show you later. Okay, this almost the panels in Adobe Premiere Pro 2.0.